After the women's Swiss, so next proceed the Open Swiss, the American Cup 2026. So it means the final battle in this grand final. So without between the American, the Philippine chess, the Grandmaster in USA is Wesley So, with battle against faces by Grandmaster in USA is Levon Aronian. So two games analyzed. So if you win in these grand finals, would win at go home with $19,000. So this is a large money funds here. If you lost, knockout against eliminations here. In this game number 1, what do you think about the sacrifice brilliant successful of this one with play games here? So what do you think of about the two games analyzed here? So let's study of this play chess here. White pieces with Wesley So and black pieces by Levon Aronian in USA with GM here. So it means without time clocks here, so it means long game or round robin within 1 hour 30 minutes plus 30 seconds here. So in this part of this videos here with two games analyzed here, and also we analyze the standings after the grand finals with final battle. Good luck with So and Aronians here, the American Cup 2026. So white plays So is e4, e5 Aronian, knight f3, knight c6, bishop c4, knight f6, d3, Yokopiano. Okay, Yokopia Sinivo variation, or maybe without idea with next castling or white pieces next castling here. So this is a more controls here. Without Wesley So, castling kingside, castling with Aronian, and also knight bt2, d5 attacks the bishop, takes, knight takes captured, and also rook e1, good move with next knights threatening the pawns here, because this is a more protects the rooks here. And also with more controls is knight b6 with Aronian, without idea with disturbance with targets the threatening the bishop here. And with Wesley backwards bishop b3, bishop g4, good move with Aronians with threatening the knights with pins the queen. So on how we knights with defense of this one with controls with defense of this knights here. So this is a more positional move here. And pawn to h3 with So, threatening the bishop. Okay, we choose if you captured with knights or backwards here. So it means Aronian choose backwards here, bishop h5 here, and knight e4, good move with Wesley So. Without idea, threatening disturbance attacks the bishop or maneuvers knight to g3 with threatening the bishop here. So this is a next move with maneuver. And also bishop backwards e7 with Aronians, and knight g3 with Wesley with attacks the threatening the bishop here. And with continues Aronian bishop captured, good move, queen takes with So, and also pawn e5 with Aronians by next strong e4 here. So this is a very strong move. And also with pawn to c3 by next of this one with d3, or maybe d4, sorry. So it means next of this one with d4. So this is a next move. And also a4 strong move with Aronians, attacks the bishop backwards with Wesley. Force move king h8 with Aronians, knight f5. So this is a new move with Filipino restaurant with lechon manok. So it means this is a Filipino culture by delicacy. So it means knight f5 is a new move. So this is the old main lines here by pawn to d4 is a old main lines here. So without fun of this master opening database with chess.com, with second novelties knight to f5 out of this book line with Wesley, and also bishop f6. So symbolize here with mistakes, so does not like of this computer with Aronians. So the one's computer the best is bishop to g5. So with a challenge by with dark square with bishop to bishop. So it means if you queen to g4 with a threatening the queens, I mean bishop, sorry. So it means with attacks the bishop here. And with move up backwards bishop f6, one move. So this is a one move here. So this is a etc etc. So this is a good slightly better score blacks here. Okay, so back there with bishop f6 with Aronians and d4 good move with Wesley, and also g6 threatening the knights, bishop h6 good move. What the excelente with strong move with Wesley with a bishop with a threatening the rook. So this is a targets here. Rook g8 with Aronians here, and also knight g3 avoided. By next up counters by next move is maneuvers knight to e4 with threatening the bishop here, so this is a next maneuver. And also with captured with Aronians, and also knight e4, so without threatening the bishop. So I will explain, for example, sir, why don't we continue captured? If you see takes captured, knight captured, why knight takes d4? Because this is a knight threatening the queens, or maybe bishop here. So it means without knight d4, without double attacks here. So this is a double attacks. And with movement is queen d1 and also a3, pawn sacrifice strong move. So this is a evaluation bar, highest the black. So this is a good examples. Okay, so back there with knight e4 with Wesley, without plannings with Wesley, so without ideas with knights threatening the bishop, by next by queens threatening the bishop with check. Because this is a challenge by queen to queen, so this is a move here. And also with bishop to h4 with Aronians, and also rook ad1 good move. So it means do not capture with pawns, because rook with pins the queens, because this is a terrible by captured here. So this is a this is a next move here, because this is a upwards here. I'm sorry that itching my throats because my suffering my itching. So let's continue rook ad1 with Wesley, and also f5 with Aronians, disturbance the knights, knight c5 with counters attacks the pawns, rook e8. Okay, rook e8. So it means rook e8 with challenge by rook to rook, knight takes captured pawn. So without another explain, for example, why don't we continue if you rook captured accepted with check, queen takes rook, if you queen to f4, because this is a more of this one with defense the bishop and threatening the bishop here. So this is a more of this one with same by dark square here. So this is a positional move here. And with movement is queen e7 defense and also captured. So this is a another good examples here. Without back there, this one is knight takes b7 with an idea with Wesley, with threatening the targets the queens here without attacks here. And also with queen f6 with Aronians, so does not like of this computer, because this is a below evaluation bar with highest evaluation bar with whites with Wesley. So the one's computer is queen d7 here avoided. So the queen d7, so this is a goods for blacks here. So back there, this one is queen f6 here with Aronians, and also g3 good move with Wesley threatening the bishop, and with g5. So it means if you rook capture, why don't we rook captured accepted with check, and also rook captured. So if you knight e5 here, so knight e5 with threatening the queens here, and no need by this one, rook captured sacrifice. So sacrifice, brilliant. So this is a highest evaluation bar with whites. The queen takes e5 with one rook down, and also with captured with bishops here. So one piece down here. So this is a another good examples here. Okay, so back there is g5 sacrifice Because why g5? Because the g5, this is a cannot move with bishop, so it is called by Loncolite's prisoner. So this is a cannot move of this one with Loncolite's the bishop here. And without idea with Wesley Sauce, without Excelente, Queen h5 good move. Without idea defense of this bishop here. And also Rook g8 with Aronians. By next of this one with Rook to g6. What a good move. Excelente strong without threatening the bishop. What a dangerous. So this is a very dangerous here. And also captured this pawn. And Aronians captured opening with check. And also King h1. And also with Rook to g6. What a good move. With the threatening the bishop. So this is a targets the bishop because this is a defense by queens and rooks here. Okay, so the first guessing puzzle, what do you think about the idea finding brilliant sacrifice captured Grandmaster Wesley Saw with the ones of this computer here? So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Boom! Bishop captured. What a brilliant with Wesley Saw. So it looks like same by International Master Alice Lee. So it means Grandmaster Wesley Saw. So it means brilliant captured. Or without bishop captured f5 without idea with threatening the rooks. This is a brilliant because the ones of this computer. So this is the highest evaluation bar with whites here. And without GM Aronians, his rook captured bishop one piece down. Or maybe without rooks, without threatening the with queens here attacks. So this is a threatening the targets. And Wesley without idea is Excelente Rook e8 check. What the Excelente good move with Wesley Saw. Aronians rook takes accepted. And with a good precise with queen takes captured with check. What a good move with Wesley Saw. And also king g7. And another rook g1. What a good move. And rook g6 sacrifice. Okay, what a sacrifice here. So sacrifice move here. And without Wesley is bishop captured. No more rooks with Aronians. And also captured. So this is a captured here. So it means or rooks without threatening the pawns. Because the check, so this is a drops the queens here. So this is a very dangerous for blacks here. So this is a more interesting here. And also knight c5 Wesley. Oh my god, knight c5 by next maneuvers knight to e6 with that idea with check. So this is a check here. And knight e7. And also the good precise is rook e1 with that idea with rooks threatening the knights with check. So this is a check targets here. And also Aronians is knight bd5. So this is a defense here. And also with knight e6 check, king h7, knight captured pawn. So this is a or maybe 4 pawns or maybe the 5 pawns. So 5 pawns versus 4 pawns here. And also c5 attacks the knights with go back knight e6 with Wesley. Queen takes captured pawn. Or maybe without idea with disturbance the rook, threatening the rooks here. And also with excellent knight g5 with check, king h6, and another excellent rook g1 with defense of this knight. And also king g7 with Aronians, knight e6 go back with check, and also king h7, and also with knight f8 check. What a good move with Wesley, king g7. Okay, so the second puzzle, what do you think about the last move with winning shot with Saw before resigns by without Super Grandmaster with Aronians with USA. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Knight captured resigns with the Aronia. Why? Because if you knight captured here, only move here. If you knight takes g6, only move. Rook captured with check. With king h7 and with queen g8 mating net. So this say end of this battle, game over with blacks here. Okay, so winning shot by Wesley So. So next proceed with final battle with game number 2. So next proceed of this next game here. Okay, white pieces with Aronians and black pieces with Wesley So with the American Filipino chess here. So it means with a game number 2 here. So if you draw, so it means never mind. So it means draw and or maybe without game number 2. So next proceed. So after analyze here the American Cup 2026 here. So white plays Aronian is e4. e5 by So, knight f3, knight c6, bishop c4, bishop c5, Yokopiano again, knight c3. Oh, so it means so cannot move by this one with pawn to d3 and this one by pawn to c3. So it means without new move main lines, knight c3 only with move with Aronians. And also knight f6, it is called by Yokopiano 4 knights game here. So there's the 4 knights here. So this is a more of this one with solid by interesting. Castling with Aronians, castling by So, and also d3, and also h6 by no more by bishop to g5. So this is a connected by this one with bad pawns here. And also pawn to h3 with no more by knight to g4 here. So this is a move controls here. And also with a6 with no more by bishop to b5. Okay, so this is a controls by this one with more connected the pass pawn here. And also with controls is bishop to e3. So with a dark square with bishop to bishop with Aronians. And also d6. Okay, d6 here. So for example, in accept, why don't we bishop captured accepted? So if bishop takes e3, captured. So this is a damageful by ugliness pawn structure. So this is a double by pawns here. Okay, so without movement is pawn to d6 here. So this is a move of these controls with Wesley So, and also bishop captured takes, and also a4. So it means a4 by next of this one with pawn to a5, strong move with Aronians here, and also b6. So another novelty with GM Wesley So here. So this is the old main lines here with 3 types is queen to d6, second by rook to e8, and third is bishop to e6 here. So this is a 3 types by old main lines here. With fourth is new move b6 novelty, another novelty with Wesley So. So this is a good controls by determinations, or maybe by next of this light square. So it means bishop to b7 here. So this is a movement by this one with pawn b6. So this is a another novelty. And also knight e5, good process, attacks the knights. Bishop e6 to control, so cannot let down the bishop. So it means this is a move by this one with bishop with pins, with targets the bishop, and without knights attacks. This is a controls with attacks the knights here. And also with knight ignorance with e3, opening the bishop, and rook e8. Okay, so in idea, if you bishop captured, why don't we bishop takes c4? And also knight captured. So this is a examples without knights with threatening the pawns. So this is a knights with threats the pawns here. So this is a good examples. Okay, with back there, this one is rook e8 with more of this one with rook e files here. bishop continues, rook takes, and also with g3, good move with Aronians here. So let's say next up this one with force by proactive king to g2 here. So this is a next move with controls. And g6 with saw, and also b3, queen d7 with Wesley, or next by this one with, or maybe by rook, next by rook d8 with queens behind the rooks here, or maybe by next by a5. So this is a next move. And also with king h2, okay, king h2 properly active, and also rook d8, good move, queens behind the rooks here, or maybe by next by triple battery. So this is a triple battery by controls with Wesley, and also with queen c1 here with defense of this knight, and also king h7. So another examples here. So why don't we move properly active with king g7 and also knight to h4. So this is a knight h4 by next up this one with knight to f5. So if he captured, so it means, so this is a queen captured here, so with a sacrifice the check here. So this is a good examples here. So this is a more controls. Okay, with back there, this one is king h7 with Wesley saw, and also knight c4, good move. So this is a good precise. Queen e7, more controls with Wesley saw. Queen e3 with Aronians, and knight to d4. So this is a strong move with Wesley, or maybe without counters attacks the knight. So this is a threatening the knights here. And also rook ac1, defense of this pawns. Why? Because if you knight d4 with threatening the knights, so it means with Wesley, without idea, with threats the pawns disturbance, with threatening the queen. So this is a double with here, double by queens and rooks here. So this is a double. With that movement is rook ac1. So another explain, for example here, why don't we continue knight captured? If we knight takes d4 and also e takes captured, threatening the queens here, and where we do move here, we're going to move. So it means choose queen f3 here. So it means queen f3. So this is a good examples here. So this is a more situations. So it means rook ac1, so no more by knight captured. So this is a no more by captured because this is a rook defense the pawns to stop by knight captured here. And also with Wesley is knight h5. Okay, what a good move. And also knight cd2 with Aronians, defense of this knight. And also b5 attacks the pawns. Knight captured continues, takes, threatening the queens, queen e2. And also rook c8, what a good move with Wesley. Takes, without opening by next of this one with rook to a8. So this is a before captured here. Before the captured, so this is a next by rook a8 by next of this one with rook to a2. So this is a very strong move with GM Wesley here. And also knight f3 with Aronians here. And also with rook to a8, what a good strong move with Wesley. Or maybe without idea by rook a2, or maybe by next battery. So this is a battery by next move, because this is a very strong move, because the white pieces would openings the here. Rook a1. Okay, what a good move with Aronias, with challenge by rook to rook. Battery, rook ca6 with Wesley. And accept rook takes. And also rook c1, because this is a very defensive by this one. Rook a2, good move, very strong move with Wesley. Queen d1 with more defense of these pawns with Aronians. And also queen c5. So this is a good precise by Wesley by next. Strong move by queen to c3. Okay, queen c3 here by next move here. Or maybe here by this one with continuations here, because this is a differentiate here. And also with knight to e1. So this is a knight e1. This is a more protects of these pawns. By next of this rook a1. So this is a challenge by rook to rook. And with Wesley So is queen c3, so no more by this one with rook e1 with Aronians, because this is a queen to c3 with Wesley. So this is a very strong move here. Knight f3 with Aronians with threatening the pawns. So this is a threats the pawns here. And with queen c5 go back with Wesley here. And also knight e1 again with Aronians, queen c3 go back, knight f3 and queen c5. So the end of this battle, so it means 3 repetitions draw, so draw by game number 2. So it means so accuracy 97.7, so it means with Wesley, and 97.5 with Aronians, so it means draw. Okay, so the score with Wesley So 1.5 and Levon Aronian 0.5, so it means Levon Aronian is a knockout by eliminations. So it means Grandmaster Wesley So is a championship here. Okay, so let's see up this picture here. So Grandmaster Wesley So it means championship against Go Home with $19,000. So large of this money funds here. So this is a win of this one with situation. So without Wesley so it means very focusing. So it means very championship with open Swiss here. Okay, so let's see up this one with standings here after the grand finals here. So let's see the results here. Okay, so the results here. So the first the semifinals. So Grandmaster Levon Aronians 2.5 and Wonder Aliyang 1.5. So it means knockout with, or maybe knockout with Wonder Liang. So it means Wonder Aliyang. So it means Levon Aronian proceed up this finals. And winners bracket with Fabi 1.5 and Wesley 2.5. So it means win Wesley So with proceed grand finals. Knockout against losers bracket with Fabi. And finals with Fabi 1.5 and Levon Aronians 2.5. So it means Fabi is a knockout. So Levon Aronians proceed with winners bracket by grand finals. And Grandmaster Wesley So 1.5 and Levon Aronians 0.5. So it means win with Wesley So here. Okay, next picture here. So it means so Wesley So with championship with taking a pictures with directors here. And next second picture. So this is the smart guy. So it means this is a grandmaster here with Wesley So. And next up this one. So without open Swiss Wesley so it means championship. So it means two. So another with women's Swiss is Alice Lee. So this is a Wesley So and Alice Lee, both of this one with championship the American Cup 2026 here. Okay, so the winner of this one with open Swiss the American Cup 2026, none other than by Grandmaster the American Philippine Chess Wesley So. Congratulations here. Okay, so next up this Blitz series within, I will post it by this one with Mark Luwagi 70 part 2 with Tagalog Cebuano. So between with my favorite players is Woman Grandmaster Jennifer Yu versus WIM Rashad D. I will analyze with posted against that with Tagalogs here. So I hope this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luwagi 17 aka iCoolMark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of these next chess updates. So happy Wednesday, good night.